Now, let's talk about the real damage, because Pakistan didn't just poke India, it landed a knockout punch. According to reports circulating on social media and backed by Reuters, Pakistan's military turned India's defence into a punching bag. 5 fighter jets, including India's shiny Rafales, were shot down in the first phase alone. A brigade headquarters and a battalion headquarters were reduced to rubble. 77 drones, yes, you heard that right, were hunted down like flies. And here's the kicker. India's $1.5 billion S-400 air defence system, the one they bragged about as untouchable, was turned into expensive scrap metal. That's not just a loss, it's a national embarrassment. Imagine buying a Ferrari and then watching it get totaled by a scooter. That's India's S-400 right now. But wait, there's more. Pakistan didn't stop at the